Now all y'all know that this car was fitting to go on hiatus so I can start working on an engine and transmission. So here is my new daily driver. It is a 2003 Mercury Sable Grand Marquis GS. Now let's take a little look at this car, and it is a little dirty. I've been working on it. Was at the shop. As you can see, it's in pretty decent shape. There's a little mark right here I gotta fix up. Gonna replace the headlights. They're yellow, but no biggie. There are some things I gotta fix on it. There's a little paint that came off right here. I can easily patch that up. And the trunk lid right here. You can see where it's dented here. And we got a dent here and a dent here. That happened from they had a storm, and a tree branch fell on it, but I can replace this trunk lid, so there's no big deal there. This is a GS model, as you know right now, and since it doesn't have the LSC performance package, it only comes with single exhaust. See the single exhaust right there. There's a little crack in the bumper right here. I think I can fix that up without replacing the bumper, but I'm getting dual exhaust put on the car, and as you can see, no major damage anywhere. The interior, in good shape, no tears. I just need to shampoo the carpets and seats, but everything's in good shape. Grand Marquis written there. Basic interior, power everything. And the back seat, same condition, in really good shape. Needs a little shampooing, but outside of that, the typical old person's car. But I know y'all been waiting for this car for a while, and I was trying to point to the issue I had with it when I first bought it. It came with the original 4.6 liter V8. It had some spun bearings, but I lucked out, and there was a guy selling a Mustang, a 2005 GT, and it had the same engine except it's for a Mustang GT, a little bit more power. So I spent an extra $1,000, got that engine, and swapped it off in here. So here it is. It's a 4.6 liter, a 2005 engine from a GT, and it bolts right in. No issues. I had to change the brackets off of the original engine so everything would work together. And I had an issue with the computer, because the computer wasn't working with this transmission, and issues with the gear ratio in the rear end, so everything went wacky. So I had to get that Mustang computer, reflash it so it'll work with everything in here, and install it, and it runs fine. Let me turn it on so y'all can hear what it sounds like. Look at that sucker purr. And that's it. There's going to be a lot of things done to this car while I'm working on the Taurus. Exhaust, cosmetic, maybe a few more things. I'm going to definitely get more power out of this engine. But right now, that's the video for today. I got some more unboxings to come around, so stand by for those. Until then, I'll see you.